Okay guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be washing my cousin's feet paws because I went to go take a little walk at my backyard, and she got dirty because it was raining.
Okay, so grab her like this, Michan. We might speed up this, okay?
Yeah. Oh my god, Maya, stop it, Maya, stop.
Okay, now I have to put her in pause, okay?
So she looks funny.
So we're gonna put the water kind of hot.
Oh
my god, that's dirty.
What
Wait,
the heck?
that's
Why
so
does it
dirty.
look like that? Why does it look like that?
I'm sorry, Maya. You're a little, okay, yeah. Put a little bit of them. Oh my god, Michan, they're so dirty.
Oh damn.
I'm sorry, Maya. I need shampoo. Hold on, what's the shampoo? Is that the shampoo?
That's soap. Okay, that's soap, but whatever.
Oh, this is soap? Okay, that's good.
Mine is liking this.
She's not. Oh, shoot, I'm so sorry.
Oh, Maya, stop it.
Oh, shoot. I think we're not supposed to do this, but whatever. Oh my god, it helps.
Wow.
Okay, so, oh my god, I'm so sorry if I wet your tablet. I'm so sorry, right?
It's okay.
Accident happened. Oh, shoot, it's too hot. Hold up. I'm sorry, man, it's too hot, right? Wait, it's too hot.
Here's some chicken feet.
Ew.
Oh my god, Maya.
Wait, we need a paper towel.
You can use the toilet paper towel.
No, it's gonna stick in your feet. Wow. Oh, Maya. Okay. Okay, I'm done. We're done with this. Okay, so.
Go get me a towel. I don't care.
Okay, thank you so much, Bestie.
Maya, stop it. Don't. Look at you guys' friend. Guys, look at your guys' friend.
Oh. Let me see her paws. I think we did an awesome job, right?
Yeah, now I have to clean her hands.
Yeah, you have to clean your hands. Okay, let me
I'm gonna give her a manicure, so.
Oh my god. Hold up. This is gonna be hard. Hold up. I gotta look.
Hold it like this. Oh my god,
Hold
Maya. Maya, stop.
Hold up. I need to dry her paws though, because her paws are tired. They're. I was about to say that, but they're actually wet instead of dirty. I'm sorry, no one. I know it's painful, but you gotta do what we gotta do. Okay, so look at that. That looks way more better. Okay.
Her ears.
Okay. Ready? Pet manicure.
Can I get this? Oh, I'm gonna get this out.
How about if I hold her like this? Oh, she looks like she needs help. No, Maya, don't put your feet there. It's dirty.
Look.
Okay. Oh, wow. It's okay. Do it.
Okay, ready?
Hold on. Let's put the bowl. Okay. Still okay. Okay. There.
I'm scared of the feet. I don't know why.
Sorry, my face is like that. She's like, I need help.
I need some more.
Our faces. Okay. So,
Wait, let me put in the water.
don't put your face that much in the water because.
Wait, let me do it.
Oh yeah, sorry. Why am I doing this?
Wait, can you put in a little more? Okay, thank you.
Oh shoot.
Oh my god, Maya.
Say hi to the camera, Maya.
Wait, can I dry her hands?
Yeah, you can dry her hands because I got my paws.
Oh my god, Maya. Okay, the other one. This one's
We have to do it 2 times. Yes. Shoot, how am I gonna do this? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna do it. Sorry, guys. I think I'm covering the camera a little bit.
No, they can see in my eyes.
Oh my god, I hate this pedicure.
The question is, why is her paws good like that?
Oh no.
Hi guys, you guys know it's on right now. Oh my god, Maya, give me your hand. Oh, she gave me the other one, the one that was it's already clean. Maya, don't put your other hand, because then there's gonna be more soap on the other hand, the one that I just cleaned.
Okay, so I have my pedicure. Okay, so my pedicure is almost done. Oh.
Maya, give me your hand. Wait. Sorry guys, she's carrying the camera and an accident. Okay, let me clean your profile. Sorry guys. Sorry guys, my hair.
Okay, I try to move it. Sorry.
Okay.
Dry them a little bit.
Can I dry it?
Okay.
Well, give me Maya real quick.
Yeah.
No, don't give me her, but like, let me. What are you coming?
I had to do it 2 times because I have to do it again. because if we do it if we just do it one time, it won't help. Did you wash only water? Say yeah, okay. Because I don't know if you can use that soap. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but it looks like. Well, okay, let me hold Maya.
I'm sorry. Oh. Okay, so guys, it's my turn. Where's the soap?
Okay. Best hand sanitizer.
Yeah. Where's the soap?
Oh my god.
Where's the soap at? Am I blind? Oh, the soap is here.
You're not blind. Oh, you kind of are.
Yeah.
What the freak? Girl, why did you put the soap here? Oh, shoot.
Okay, now my turn. No, I'm fine. Okay, so we're gonna put a lot of cold water and a little bit of hot water because hot water is gonna damage your feet and you don't want nobody to damage your feet.
Okay, that's good. I'm just checking that it was good.
Okay, thank you.
You know what? Let me go that side, okay?
Okay.
But when I'm gonna go clean this paw, I'm gonna go that side, and I'm gonna clean this side. I'm gonna go this side.
Hold up, I'm just
But
gonna
it's
wash them.
splashing.
Yeah. This is the last time in this video. Okay. We're done. Okay, Maya, we're done.
We need to do it one more time, okay?
Only on your paws, okay? I know you're getting tired, but don't worry. Your paws are gonna be squeaky clean.
She's probably sleepy.
Yeah. It's okay, Maya. Your paws will be squeaky clean. And
Just like ours.
no. Okay. Now your turn to clean her manos. That equals paws, like the.
Have you ever thrown up in your toilet?
Yeah.
I've thrown up in my toilet.
I have.
I threw up frijoles. I threw up beans, guys. I was like, my brother was like, "Ugh," and then I think I saw beans. It was like brown.
Mines. Ew. Mines.
Anyways,
And we're gonna put a little bit of perfume on her hands. No, I'm playing. No. Her hands are so dirty here.
alright, let's start with this one. Say what I see. Alright, Maya, give me your paw.
Maya,
Stop,
this is
Maya. You're gonna get have one soap in your mouth. Bro, Maya.
Again, this pump. It happens. It's okay, Maya. Yes, I'm gonna go make coffee.
Mine is so confused.
Sorry, my hair is on the camera. You can kind of see. Okay.
When I do the other one,
Oh shit.
tie your hair.
Okay.
When I do the other one, because you might have
My hand hurts. Oh, break, it's cramping. Hurry up, Maya. Me going down.
Oh shoot, that was hot. Oh shoot, that was. Oh my god, my hand got so bad again. That was actually hot. Oh shoot, that's hot.
Oh shoot.
Oh shoot, that's the hot version. That was a hot version.
Oh shoot. No, Maya, let me get other part.
No, this one. Because she she's like, oh my shoe. She's, oh my god, the frog fell down in its glass.
Oh.
Good thing it fell down in the trash can. Because the trash can, Jinx! Touch blue,
Touch blue, touch green.
green, touch you. Mitchy, Mitchy, Mitchy.
Sorry about that.
It's good. It's okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now we need to get the soap again. Get that up. Shoot that like that.
I feel so bad for Maya right now.
Yeah.
Cause look at her face. She looks great. I can't believe we're doing this.
Like, what's my brother tell us?
This video has been 11 minutes. 12. Dang.
Oh my god. Sorry, guys.
Can you actually
Wait, I got an idea. Don't worry, I got an idea.
How about we just put it in a concert tub? Sorry, man. Oh shoot, this is way more hard.
Okay.
Thank you, Washington.
I'm doing it. Oh, so. Oh my gosh, did Maya just crack her?
Do her. I'm gonna do it.
Maya, no, you're putting in my tablet.
Shoot, she's all wet.
Okay, whatever, we're done.
That's it. Okay. Quickly.
Ready, Maya?
Grab it.
Wait, can you clean my tablet?
Yeah, sure.
Please. Because I'm holding Maya. Maya, let's see if she
You said bring or we have to clean them. Yeah, right on the chin. I'm putting the ground because
Wait, put it there.
Oh.
Real quick.
I'm gonna carry her like a baby.
Yeah.
Make sure you cover it. Okay. We have to clean that thing out later. Before them.
Let me go get some.
Yeah, so we just cleaned her and we're going to her room. So yeah.
What?
Clean it with these white. Here, give me my.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Hold up, I have to do this. Hold up.
Wait, put her where the camera is for everybody can see.
No, I have to dry her.
Wait.
Baby. Okay, so guys. Oh my gosh, she's dirty here.
Oh my god.
We're not washing her face like that. So, yeah.
Maya, look. Wait, let's see Maya. Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! I'm so down.
Wrap it around like this. No.
Oh.
Just wrap it around. There you go. You have your own baby. Oh, she don't like it. She's claustrophobic. Oh, shoot. She don't like it. Just to clean her. Bro, I think we made her paws even dirtier.
No.
And it's so freaking wet. Sorry, Maya, because you were so wet. Whoa. Shoot! Don't go.
Oh.
Guys, she's gonna have a nap. I'm gonna let her sleep here. Maya, sleep, okay? Michi, do you have wipes?
Yes, they're right over there. That's her Apple Pen. And this is my Apple Pen.
No. Yeah!
I think you guys can see over. It's this one right here. Oh my gosh.
No.
It looks like Avatar. But, okay, anyways, we're almost ending the video, guys. Bro, the frick. She's on the couch.
So,
She's about to take a little nap.
if it doesn't dry when they come here, we in trouble.
Okay, guys, that is literally the end of the video.
Bye! Oh, guys, sorry to say this many times. We're posting on December. Slay! Oh. Let's say bye-bye. Let's hold up. Excuse me.
Okay, Maya. Why is Maya? Why is keep smiling? She don't.
Say bye to the vlog.